भाई कल मैं रहमतनगर में भाषण दे रहे थे। भाई बोलने का मतलब मुसलमान का मतलब कांग्रेस, कांग्रेस का मतलब मुसलमान। आज कांग्रेस की ताकत, तेलंगाना सरकार की ताकत हमारे मुसलमान भाई बहन।
अगर मल्ला का बेटा उप मुख्यमंत्री बन सकता तो क्या आदम का बेटा मुख्यमंत्री नहीं बन सकता? हमको जवाब दो। अगर मल्ला का बेटा उप मुख्यमंत्री बन सकता तो क्या मोहम्मद का बेटा नहीं बन सकता मुख्यमंत्री? मेरे भाई फैसला आपको करना है। 17% है, 3% है और 14% है। 14% है तेजस्वी और आप देते हैं टिकट उनको कितना? 14 है तो 36% टिकट दिया। जो 17% है उनको क्या दिया? उनको लॉलीपॉप दिया और बोला कि बेटा चूसते रहना।
Now viewers, what Owaisi was saying there is very much in alignment with what the RJD also has to say on the option of keeping a Muslim deputy chief minister. When I asked them the question, they said, well, the option is open to us, which means the choice of chief minister and deputy chief minister is also going to be on the basis of Muslim versus non-Muslim lines. Listen to this clip. ओसामा को डेप्यूटी चीफ मिनिस्टर बनाकर मुस्लिम अपीजमेंट करने का कोई प्लान है?
अगर हमारे महागठबंधन में सहमति बनती है, आपको मैंने कहा 2 से 3 उप मुख्यमंत्री और बनाए जा सकते हैं।
Oh, ladies and gentlemen, leaving the door open for the inclusion of Osama as deputy chief minister. The point is the Muslim appeasement card tactic. When I talk about it on record on live shows, they say no, it's not true. But I've given you clips. I've proven it to you. Before every elections, these leaders go to the ends of the earth to appease only Muslims, to mobilize only Muslim votes. And that is why all these comments, ladies and gentlemen, are being made. However, all these communal calls and communal narratives are absolutely unconstitutional, because all of this violates secularism as sanctioned by the Constitution. It violates Section 125 of the Representation of Peoples Act. It violates the Model Code of Conduct, Rule 1 of General Conduct, Rule 2 of General Conduct. But the fact is, nobody cares. When it comes to these leaders, they can say what they want. The principles of secularism, in effect, do not apply to them. When a party says, we are a Muslim party, this was alleged that the Congress party had taken a decision to be a Muslim party. Revant Reddy's comment is not just for the Jubilee Hill elections or the Bihar elections. It is a strategic shift of the Congress party. It is a decision of the Congress party to turn itself as the party of only the Muslims. It is a political choice. It is the closest the Congress has ever got